In this video today, I'll show you how to get started with affiliate marketing so you can generate passive income. This is a free strategy that anyone can make it work, and in order to get the desired results, make sure to watch till the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to Aiden and Mia's world to just subscribe to it with notifications on so you can get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you love this type of content, just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, I'm going to start right away so I can show you everything. I'm going to mention multiple steps so you can just set this up in the proper way, so make sure to stay tuned until the end and you'll not get lost or confused. So the very first step is to come over to the first platform for today that you're going to combine with some other sources in order to make this work properly, and this platform is called Unbounce. This is over at unbounce.com. This is a platform where you can just come over to build a landing page with smart features that lets you create beautiful and high-performing marketing campaigns in just a few minutes. So they offer you smart marketing tools to grow your business. Also, you can create your pages, write your copy, optimize your traffic. Then you can see that you can get more customers from every channel. Also, no matter how you grow, they can help you by selling products and services, collecting leads and signups, and you can even get your business online and grow your marketing agency. So they offer a lot of things for you if you want to get started, but of course we are not coming over here in order to do these things. We are coming here in order to make money out of this platform. So what you need to do is to just come over to the bottom of this page and underneath company section just select partner program. So we are going to take advantage of their affiliate program. You're going to notice that they offer you 20% of recurring revenue for every referral, so you can earn 20% of recurring commissions for every new customer that you bring to Unbounce. You're going to see over here that first of all you can sign up for absolutely free as a partner, and you're going to get a unique URL so you can invite other people to this platform. By using a link, your referrals will also get an exclusive 20% off their first 3 months, which is pretty awesome actually, because it is a feature that is going to make people to even get started, since they're going to get like 20% off. You're going to notice that you're going to earn a 20% lifetime cut of every transaction for as long as they are an Unbounce customer. So it's pretty awesome, since for just one people you're going to get a lot of money if they continue using this platform and they purchase one of their pricing plans. You can even check them out by going over to pricing up here. You're going to notice that they offer 4 pricing plans, monthly and yearly as well, and if one of them is going for one of these plans for the yearly one, you're going to get paid for 12 months 20% of the plan that they are going to choose. You're going to notice that the launch plan is like $90 and the most expensive one is $575, so you're still going to make a decent amount of money, depending also on how many people you're going to refer here. You're going to notice that you can be a marketer agency, you can have a marketing audience, or you just love using Unbounce and you can just still join this platform. You can even see how much money you could be earning, which is an estimated amount. You're going to see that this is based on the Unbounce Accelerate monthly plan, which we can see that it is the 3rd plan, and you can also check out that if you refer 10 people you can earn like $320. If you refer 25 people you can earn $800. If you refer 50 people you can earn $1,600 per month. And of course I want to mention that they can go over even for the most expensive one and even for the less expensive one. So this is just an estimated amount for the Accelerate monthly plan. You're going to notice here that they offer you dedicated partner coach as well, so you can ask them about anything like the unique URL, payments and so on, and this is a real person that is just an email away. You can get a custom tracking dashboard where you can track every referral strategy, URL click, dollar you earn and so on. You're going to get a ready to rock resources. They offer you even some partner templates, promotion assets and some training materials that you can check out. I want to mention that if you go over to the frequently asked questions, you're going to see that anyone who wants to join can be an Unbounce partner. If you happen to be a customer too, you're going to get some extra benefits. benefits. You can see that they're going to get you paid at the end of the month via PayPal or Stripe, as you can see. And I want to mention that they are going to pay you in US dollars, and I know that you would love to get paid in PayPal money, so it's pretty awesome. So just click on the sign up button you're going to find down here. Then you're going to just put some information that are required over here, and then click on the next button. Once you created your account, you'll be able to get your unique referral link that you can just start sharing with people in order to get paid again and again. Just go over to bit.ly.com in order to shorten that link, in order for it to look more professional, and you're going to just maximize your chances of getting even more clicks on that, and people are going to just check it out once they are going to click on your link. Because whenever you just share an affiliate link like that, you're going to see that most of the people are going to think that you are promoting something. So I highly recommend that you use bit.ly.com. You're just going to shorten here by pasting the link on this box and then click on the shorten button. Once you get that link, what I want you to do is to go over to Google Docs, and you're going to just put some information over here about how to create a landing page and so on, and then you're going to say that you have found like the perfect website that helps you for doing that, and you can put your affiliate link, which is going to bring people over to Unbounce. So what you don't need to do next is to click on the share button, and you're going to get the link of this whole document, of your Google Docs document. Then just go over to the traffic source that I have for you today, which is free, and anyone can join it in order to get a free audience. You're going to go over to Quora, and Quora is a community-based platform where people come in order to ask and answer questions about different things. You can just create an account by clicking on continue with Google or continue with Facebook, or you can even sign up with your email address. Then once you put all of your information, you'll be able to get to your account. You can see that there are a lot of categories that people are just discussing, like book, science, health, technology, history, cooking, psychology, and so on. What I want you to do actually is to just go over to the search bar, and here you're going to search for how to create a landing page. You're going to find a lot of people that are asking this kind of questions, and they want to know more about this. So what you can do is to just reply to all of them, and you're going to just leave the link of your Google Docs document where you provide some valuable information and that it contains your affiliate link in it. So they are going to click on that, they are going to go over to Unbounce, purchase a plan, and you're going to get paid again and again. And they also get a 20% off for 3 months, which is pretty awesome actually, and it's going to make people to even start it. And also I want to mention that they offer a free trial as well, so people can even try it for free and they can see how it works, and people are more willing to try this platform out where they found that there is a free trial as well. So what I want you to do actually here is to just find people that are recently interested in this kind of questions. So what you can do is to go over to buy time and select past month, past week, or past date, so you can find people that are discussing about this thing recently. And of course you're going to find people here, you're going to communicate with them and do the strategy that I mentioned even before. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you like it. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.